BMW stands for Bayerische Motoren Werke. The company was founded in 1916 in Germany. In the beginning, BMW manufactured aircraft engines, then moved to motorcycles, and later became one of the world's leading luxury car brands. BMW's famous slogan is, "Backhand index pointing right, the ultimate driving machine." This slogan reflects BMW's core focus on performance, precision, and driving pleasure. BMW is not just a car, it represents status, engineering excellence, and confidence. 2. Exterior design. BMW is known for its sporty, aggressive, and premium exterior design. Front design. Iconic kidney grille, sharp LED or laser headlights, strong bonnet lines that enhance the sporty look. Side profile. Aerodynamic body shape, stylish alloy wheels, low stance for better road grip and visual appeal. Rear design. LED tail lights, dual exhaust system, muscular rear bumper. BMW cars are designed to stand out on the road and instantly grab attention. 3. Interior and comfort. BMW interiors are designed with a driver-focused philosophy. Seats, premium leather upholstery, electrically adjustable seats, heated and ventilated options in higher models. Dashboard, fully digital instrument cluster, large touchscreen infotainment display, clean, modern, and premium layout. Comfort features, ambient interior lighting, multi-zone climate control, excellent sound insulation for a quiet cabin. BMW ensures maximum comfort for both driver and passengers, even on long journeys. 4. Engine and performance. Performance is BMW's strongest identity. Small blue diamond engine options, petrol engines, diesel engines, hybrid systems, fully electric models, BMW i-Series. Performance highlights, fast acceleration, smooth and responsive gear shifts, excellent balance and road handling. Most BMW models can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in around 5-7 seconds, delivering a true sports car feel. 5. Suspension and handling. BMW vehicles are famous for precise handling and driving stability. Suspension system absorbs road bumps smoothly, maintains stability during sharp turns. Steering, lightweight yet highly responsive, provides excellent driver feedback. This makes BMW equally enjoyable for city driving and highway cruising. 6. Technology and infotainment. BMW integrates advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. Infotainment system, high-resolution touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control functionality, advanced digital features, head-up display, digital navigation system, gesture control available in select models. These features make driving smarter, safer, and more convenient. 7. Safety features. BMW prioritizes safety at every level. Standard safety systems, multiple airbags, front side curtain, ABS and traction control, electronic stability control, driver assistance features, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors and rear camera. BMW vehicles are engineered to meet international safety standards, ensuring peace of mind. 8. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Fuel efficiency. Fuel economy varies by model and engine. Modern BMW engines focus on efficiency without sacrificing performance. Maintenance. Maintenance costs are higher compared to economy cars. Genuine BMW parts are durable and reliable. With proper maintenance, A BMW can deliver long-term performance and reliability. 9 price range and model variants. BMW offers a wide range of vehicles across different categories. Sedans. BMW 3 Series. BMW 5 Series. BMW 7 Series. SUVs. BMW X1, X3, X5, X7. Performance models. BMW M Series. Prices vary depending on the model, engine, and region, but BMW is positioned firmly in the premium segment. Keycap 10 Final Verdict. If you are looking for heavy checkmark luxury, heavy checkmark power, heavy checkmark advanced technology, heavy checkmark a true driving experience, then BMW is an excellent choice. BMW is not just transportation, it is a passion for driving.